Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you my fire alarm.
Hey guys, today I'm going to show you to put batteries on my fire alarm. Let's open it.
By the way, I'm the person that holding the camera. I don't know why, but he wants me to.
I don't why. On this from this fire alarm.
I think you need a screwdriver, Chase.
No.
Need help? Let me see. Okay. So,
Let's put batteries on my fire alarm.
by the way, I'm vlogging it.
By the way. That's a big word.
Look what I did. Oh, sorry. Let me get this.
And I don't think it's gonna work because he has them on wrong. By the way, I'm the vlogger.
By the way.
Vlogger.
Oh, so he got the light to work. This is what my grandma was making for him.
Nope, I didn't get my nap again today. Everybody else gets their nap, but no.
Why do you need a back scratcher? For your back? Because it needs to be scratched.
Chase, you better not be
Back
blowing that up.
scratcher. That's what a,
Can you?
that's what it,
Fire alarm. I do.
you know what it hands for? To scratch your back.
Go do your fire alarm. Go do your fire alarm.
Okay, can I, are you done vlogging it?
What?
Are you done taking a video of it?
No.